Imagine making 6 figures a year and without a 9 to 5, without endless Zoom meetings, and without even being an expert in anything. Sounds too good to be true? Well, let me tell you something. It's already happening. And the crazy part? You're not in on it. But wait, don't you need to be some kind of guru to sell a course? Nope. In fact, most people making over $100,000 a year with online courses had zero teaching experience before they started. And if you stick with me, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Why online courses are the ultimate passive income stream. Right now, we're in the middle of the biggest digital gold rush in history. The online education industry is projected to hit $1 trillion by 2030. And guess what? People are already cashing in. Think about it. College tuition is skyrocketing. People are tired of student debt, and they're looking for real-world skills they can learn fast. That's where you come in. Your course doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to solve a problem. How to pick a profitable course topic, even if you have no expertise. Here's the truth. Most successful course creators didn't start as experts. They started as one step ahead of their audience. That's all you need. Okay, maybe not that simple, but here's how you find a winning topic. First, look at what people are already paying for. Check Udemy, Teachable, and even YouTube comments. Second, use your personal experience. Did you learn a skill recently? Overcome a problem? Great. Teach that. Third, test demand for free. Post short content on TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter, and see what resonates before creating a full course. Now that you've got your topic, how do you actually create the course without spending months on it? The fastest way to create a high-value course without filming yourself. Here's the best part. You don't even need to be on camera. If you hate public speaking, no worries. You can use screen recordings, animations, slides with voiceovers, or even AI-generated videos. Here's how. Use screen recording software like Loom or OBS. Keep it short. Most best-selling courses are only 2 to 4 hours long, broken into bite-sized lessons. Okay, your course is done. But how do you actually sell it and hit $100,000? Selling your course, the $100,000 marketing strategy. Here's where most people fail. They create a course and just wait. Newsflash. No one is coming. You have to sell it the right way. So here's the winning strategy. Start with free content. Post short-form videos on TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Offer a free lead magnet, a mini course, checklist, or ebook to build an email list. Leverage existing platforms. Sell on Udemy for exposure. Then upsell premium versions on Teachable or Kajabi. But what if you don't have an audience? How do you make sales from day one? How to make sales, even if you have 0 followers. You don't need thousands of followers to start making money. You just need the right approach. Here's how. Join niche Facebook and Reddit groups, provide value, and softly pitch your course. Use affiliate partnerships. Get micro-influencers to promote your course for a commission. Run paid ads once you've validated sales organically. And now, let's talk about scaling to 6 figures. Scaling to 100K and beyond. At this point, you're making your first sales. But $100,000 a year isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. Here's how you scale. Raise your prices. Instead of selling for $50, create a high-ticket $500 to $1,000 course with extra bonuses. Automate with email funnels. Turn leads into long-term customers with automated email sequences. Build a community. Launch a private Discord, Facebook group, or coaching program for ongoing income. So, are you in, or are you going to let this $1 trillion wave pass you by? You now have the roadmap. The only thing left? Taking action. If you want to learn even more ways to make money online, check out this video on how to make money selling digital products, step-by-step guide. Click it now, and I'll see you inside.